Finally, we're going to show how to delete a key fob that has been previously activated. The controller keypad stores the 4 last digits printed on each key fob. If you want to deactivate a key fob, enter programming mode by holding the escape key, enter your password, in our case 1234, and press Command 2. Now you can enter the last 4 digits of the fob you want to deactivate. For example, this fob's last digits are 6960. Now the fob has been deactivated. Let us check if it worked. The fob has been successfully deactivated.